Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to factory reset your Quest headset. This process is essential for troubleshooting persistent software glitches or preparing your device for a new owner. A factory reset will completely wipe all personal data, games, and settings, returning your headset to its original state. Before you begin, make sure your Quest has at least 50% battery life to prevent interruptions during the reset process. Let's get started with the first method. The first method involves using the physical buttons on your Quest headset. First, power off your device completely. Then, press and hold both the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the boot menu appears. Once the menu is visible, use the volume buttons to scroll through the options. Navigate to Factory Reset and press the power button to select it. Confirm your decision, and the reset will begin. Alternatively, you can perform a factory reset using the Meta Quest mobile application on your smartphone. Ensure your phone is paired with your headset. Open the app and go to the Devices section, then select your specific Quest headset. From there, tap on Headset Settings, then Advanced Settings. You will find the factory reset option listed. Select it and confirm your choice to initiate the reset remotely. This is a convenient option if your headset isn't fully responsive. Once the factory reset is complete, your Quest headset will restart and guide you through the initial setup, just like when it was new. You'll need to repair your controllers and log back into your Meta account. Remember that all previously installed games and applications will need to be re-downloaded. It's crucial to understand that any saved game progress or local data will be permanently erased. This process ensures a fresh start for your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.